Hey guys, this is the video series related to the CanvasFX basics. In this video we will walk through all parts of the project, learn how to operate it and achieve the main goal, creating the overlay you are looking for. In this video we will talk about how to change resolution. To do this, open the effect you are interested in, then locate the section near the export button. This section includes not only resolution preset, but also frame rate, format and the effect duration. This allows you to adjust the effect to your needs. Select the resolution preset from drop down or choose custom and specify any resolution you want. That's it for this video. I hope it helped fill some knowledge gaps. For more information or new overlay packs, visit our Patreon page. There you will find weekly overlay effects, project updates, Q&A and more. Stay tuned!